What's going on, y'all? Welcome back. We are in Austin, Texas this weekend, and I'm here with my buddy Ben, aka Dane. We're heading over to our friend's sister's house. We're gonna hang out for a little bit. Just got some coffee in us. Just woke up. It's a little cloudy out today, but a little dreary. But he's gonna turn on the defogger. Anyways, we are gonna figure out a game plan. We'll probably just hang out, fly the drone, explore Austin, and just have a good time. So yeah, so we're gonna do that, and we're gonna figure out a game plan. It's Saturday, so yeah, we have the whole weekend. So we'll see y'all in the next clip, guys. Okay. Come here, man. Come here. Come here. What's up, dude? Hey. Wanna be in the vlog? No, don't bite me. What's up, guys? It's me, Maddie. Welcome to Jeremy Paul Vigil's vlog. Today, we are gonna play VR, and we're gonna hang out. Little by little, you wear me down. Here we are, Ben in his natural habitat. What's going on, guys? We are at the 360 overlook, an obligatory hike to check out the bridge and the views. I'm gonna launch up the drone up there, get some cool cinematic shots. I literally just ate a full burger, so I'm lagging behind. You can see it. Parkour! You wear me down. My actions won't be forgiven. When we first met, a simple text.
So here we are on private property.
Let's go.
Let's see if we can find some ghosts.
What
was that? Oh look, some fellow trespassers. John, Bethany. Bethany. Ron?
Alright, y'all. We are out of here. We got some cool time lapses. We got some cool drone footage. We'll see y'all in a little bit. It's Sunday, beautiful day, sun's out. Here's Ben right here. We're about to go kayaking.
I just got you 1,000 more subscribers on that goal, alright?